a doctor of physical therapy, and today I'll be showing you how to correctly assemble your PELEGON shower stool. What is great about this product is that no tools are needed to assemble it, just the pieces from your package. So let's get started. Let's display all the different parts in front of us. First, notice the seat, which has stickers on it. Next, the two U-shaped bars, also with two stickers B and C. Next, there are two straight rods with curved tips on both ends, labeled D and E. And here are 4 legs with rubber tips and a seat pad. Now, let's look at the screw pack. It has 2 small screws, 6 medium-sized screws, and 5 large-sized screws. Notice that there's 1 extra screw of each size just in case. If any parts are missing or damaged, don't hesitate to contact us at PELEGON Customer Support. So let's begin. First, make sure the seat is upside down so the stickers are visible. Then, place the U-shaped bar with the B sticker in place. Notice that the 2 B stickers should be aligned. Once in place, attach 2 medium-sized screws to the seat as so. You may need to apply some pressure while attaching the screws. It's always best not to fully tighten the screw until all of them are attached to the seat. Do the same with the other U-shaped bar. And again, notice that both seat stickers are aligned. Once in place, use 3 medium-sized screws to connect the bar to the seat. Once all 5 screws are in place, confirm they are fully tightened. Now let's attach the 4 legs. They are all the same, so the order does not matter. What is important to make sure is that all legs are even and fully locked. Next, let us connect the crossbar using the 2 straight bars, labeled D and E. Place the D bar under the E bar, and be sure to place the screw through the E bar first, until its edge comes through the D bar. Once the crossbar is ready, we will connect it to the frame by using the 4 large screws. You'll need to make sure that the holes of the frame and bar are aligned. Once you begin to tighten the screws, you may need to hold the washer in place and apply some pressure for optimal fit. Once all 4 screws are in place, give it an extra squeeze to tighten the structure a bit more. You can choose whether to use a seat pad or not. For useful tips on how to use a shower stool, check out the How to Use video at the link below or at pelegon.com. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care for now.